Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to be talking about Revolut credit card eligibility and what you need to qualify. So, the first one is you must be 18 years old above, and you also have a valid ID and verified identity or address. So, this can be a government issued ID or proof of address, and etc. So, you also have to be a resident in a country where Revolut offers credit card products and have a verified Revolut account. So, if you have passed onboarding or the KYC and your account details are complete, you can go ahead and apply for it. And also, you have a regular or variable income. So, Revolut often asks for proof of employment or the income. And lastly, is not have a adverse credit history or overdue obligations. So this is more implicit, especially in Europe regional applications. So now on how you can apply for a Revolut credit card, here are the steps. First is you must open the Revolut application on your phone, go to the home screen, tap on the accounts at the bottom menu, and then tap on add new. So from there you will see the credit and then click on credit card. And then from there you just have to fill in the information or the application form. You have to fill in with your personal details, your income info, your address, and etc. So you just have to submit the application, and the Revolut will also do a soft credit check first, and it won't hurt your credit score. So if you're approved, you will get an offer. So you just have to accept it. So you can sign electronically. Then you can choose a virtual card, which is instant, or you can wait for the physical card to be shipped to you. So in many cases, once approved and accepted, your virtual card is already usable, while the physical card gets delivered later. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!